Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website BlueVizion.com. I'm on a home page, and I really like that you're showing one of your products in the hero image, so I know right away what you're offering, which improves your conversion rate. I like that you are adding information about the benefits of your glasses. So obviously, you protect from blue light. The top navigation is very nicely organized to inform about 30 days, money back guarantee, and shop now. I would add shop now at the beginning because obviously it's important for you as an online store. It can get lost if it's a last link, so make sure to put it as the first link in the navigation. I like that you're informing about the dangers of blue light. It would be great to specify where this blue light is coming from so people can know that they can actually, they can actually get affected by this blue light. Is it from the computer screens? Is it from the environment? So make sure to specify it because I started hearing this phrase blue light, but I still have got no idea where this dangerous and super dangerous, blue light is coming from. So make sure to really specify that. Okay, so you've got extra image here. I would optimize it further with a tagline, for example, shop men's glasses, and obviously link it to the collection, which will further improve your conversion rate. Okay, and you've got consequences of the blue light on the sleep pattern, so this is really nice. Okay, I can see that this blue light is coming from TVs, and I understand it also computer screens, so I can see why people can get exposed to this blue light. So make sure to perhaps perhaps specify it a little bit better, maybe with images like someone, watching TV or someone sitting by the computer, so people visually understand what kind of where is the source of danger. Because some people, when they are on a website, they are scanning the content, so they don't have time to kind of read every bit of paragraph. They usually just scan paragraphs and they scan the website content to really understand the content within a split second, and helping them to do that will help you improve your conversion rate. Also, this element isn't that really helping your conversion rate. Your logo is fantastic, however it doesn't have to take that much space on the home page. But I love that you are that you have this kind of information here, award winning. Make sure to specify what kind of awards you win. You can add those kind of trophies and awards to the homepage, which is really important. Obviously, free truck shipping is important as well. 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, you've got professional email address, which is hyperlinked in the footer, so this is fantastic. Footer links as well. I would also add links to your social media and to establish your presence on social media, and obviously build your authority and build your followers. Okay, I will check your collection page. So you've got a nice selection of glasses. However, all items are on sale, meaning that the actual deal loses its value. If it was only one or two items on sale, people would find it a little bit more trustworthy. People don't know if they can actually trust. Is it a real deal, or is it just this kind of this kind of inflated prices just to put them back? So remember, don't have all items on sale, as that can affect your trust. I would work on the product titles, make them a little bit more specific, a little bit more SEO friendly. Women's classy glasses. It just doesn't tell Google what you're offering. As you specialize in blue light, you can add something like wireframe women blue light protection glass or something like that. So it can help you get found in more relevant search results. So it can help you get traffic from Google that is most likely to convert, because you will get traffic from people who are looking for these kind of blue light glasses. So it will help you improve sales in the process as well. Okay, but I really like your descriptions as well. I would focus less on the specifics of the item and more on the benefits for the user. So make sure to really focus on what kind of problems you are solving with these products and what kind of benefits you add. So it will help you improve your sales, because people buy on emotions. If they see that they can solve their problem, if they're facing some problem, like for example they've got pain in the eyes or something like that, you can include it that reduce the pain in your eyes and so on. So think about from that perspective. I mean, you've got rotating glasses, but these are completely different glasses, so I'm not sure how this helps in this particular product. However, the reviews are quite nice because people are taking pictures of them wearing those glasses. So this is really, really nice. Okay, and similar products. So this is perfect. I noticed that BlueVision logo in the footer looks different than BlueVision logo in the header area. So think about using consistent logos, consistent styling to build your branding. Otherwise, it can be a little bit confusing. Okay, contact us page looks great. So this is fantastic. For some reason, this email address is different than the one in a footer. So also make sure to keep it consistent. Keep consistent branding and keep consistent information. Your SEO score is 55 out of 100. Your Google snippet is nicely organized, which is great. I would take the full advantage of 165 characters for your meta description, because you're only using 94 characters. So make sure to add as much information as you can to meta description to help you stand out in search results and describe your items better to get more traffic from Google. You are missing vital H1 tag, so make sure to add them as well. Remember to add image alt tags to every single image you add. That's very, very important for Google and for people who browse website with the images switched off. So it makes your website more accessible and more user-friendly, which is really important for SEO. Your website displays nicely on all screens, which is fantastic, so it's responsive. Your domain authority, if you see in this top bar, your domain authority is only one, so I assume you're brand new store, so make sure to work on your domain authority to help you rank higher in Google. And you've got a number of backlinks, so this is good as well. For some reason, I can see that your page authority is 23, but domain authority is only 1. So I think you just added the new domain. However, your page authority is established, is 23. So it means that you've been operating for a number of years. However, your domain authority is only 1. So think about how if you haven't connected, or if you have disconnected the old domain, make sure to keep it going, because it will help you improve your SEO and domain authority, and obviously positioning in Google as well. If you like this audit, please make sure to leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And don't forget to book a free 15-minute chat with a Shopify expert to find more on how to optimize your website, how to improve your domain authority, how to improve your SEO, and how to write better product titles and product descriptions. So this 15-minute non-obligation chat is available for everyone who booked a free audit, so don't miss it. Make sure to book this free chat. The details are in the email. Thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.